welcome to another episode of Funked Up Gaming where we're playing Game Dev Tycoon.
Yes, we're going
and everybody just loved their golden shower.
They did. We're going to do a little research.
That's wise.
New target? Or topic?
No, I'd like to go new topic. Let's see what our options are. Shit. Exit out. Let me see what our target audience is. It's a little earlier. It's a little early for tutorials. Safety, by the way. Mono sound as opposed to what?
Basic sound. Boom, 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 doom, doom, doom.
I would argue that's already mono. However, it's whatever. I think it's a little early for mono sound. In as far as like the gaming history.
Mm-hmm.
I'd probably just go new topic. But I wouldn't know what the topic to tell you. Not fashion.
Movies?
Good. Sure, it's great.
Make movie games.
I mean, that's like around this era anyway. You got like James Bond games and...
We could be that one game company that the angry video game nerd always hates.
LGN?
Yes.
We could. I know, we don't have a license to anything. Ah!
Alright.
Let's develop a new game. Let's, I don't know. Penis. Twister. Action. There you go. Pick topic. Not cyberpunk.
Movies.
Oh, okay. Pick genre. Action. No.
Strategy.
Not simulation.
What do you want to do it on?
Oh, we should totally do it on the NES. Yes, I know it costs an outrageous amount.
We still have $298,000.
Okay, fine then. It doesn't cost that damn much.
I mean, it'll go down because we have to buy the... I don't think...
Either way.
120.
I don't think the Sega Master System lasts as long as it should. Because they start moving. Sega's known for moving through consoles pretty quick.
Yes. Alright. Penis Twister Action.
God. Oh.
Engine.
What? Oh, it's an action, right? You don't need a lot of story quests. I think you need more gameplay than you would engine. There you go. That's what I would do.
Okay.
Bloop. No, there you go. Nice. I wish I could make a game and develop $170,000 in sales. No, you don't need a lot of dialogue. Yeah, for action you do, and for level design, I'd go even a little less. There you go. Bloop, boop, 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 boop. Oh. I think the NES was a good option.
Yeah.
We might be a little bit behind the times, but I think that was a good option. Graphics need to be high on action. World design could be a little less, and I think that'd be great. That right there.
Okay. Getting lots of research.
Good. We gotta fix them dar bugs. Boop. There you go.
Alright.
New combo.
Yep. I wonder how well Penis Twister Action's gonna do.
Speaking of combos, who's your favorite Street Fighter character?
Cammy.
Really?
Or old or like new?
Old.
Cammy.
Who do you think my favorite Street Fighter character is?
Guile.
Nice! I like his hair.
Now they've got like lots of new
characters?
Yeah.
It's Street Fighter.
Yeah. What? They've got like a luchador chick. She's like blonde and has big boobs.
Palm.
And, like all the females on there have like big boobs and everything.
That's pretty good. I can deal with a 6. Good. Good.
For penis twister action. They liked having their penis twisted.
Fuck you all games. You can go suck my penis twister action.
See what we're doing.
Boom. Penis twister action on the NES does well.
It's a test.
That doesn't change much. We should make a Sega game just because right now.
You
Make a
wanna do
Sega game.
research?
Nope. Right now, Sega game before it goes out of style.
Okay.
Game concept: trolley, center, rush. There you go, buddy. That makes it really rush worthy.
Yes.
Oh crap! Time travel. Genre: adventure. Platform: yes. Okay. It's fun. We're just gonna make more money. Yeah, it has to be 2D. Could you imagine a text game on the Sega Master?
Alright, adventure.
Adventure needs more story quests. Yes. Less engine, less gameplay. More story quests. Less story quests. There you go. Ugh.
There.
Adventure's harder to deal with.
Alright.
It's an adventure.
Yeah.
Less artificial intelligence. More all the way level design. There you go. That's great.
Oh yeah. Oh, new we get casual games.
Casual games. Whatever defines a casual game? Is this a casual game?
Oh shit. Now the PC's coming off.
Good. Fuck the Commodore 64. Because they're dirt nuggets.
Alright, stage 3. Boop.
Oh, of an adventure game?
Yeah.
Yeah, world design is high. You could probably go less on graphics. A little less. Less. I think even go less on no. About middle on graphics and a little higher in sound.
Okay.
Banjo-Kazooie would have something like that. We'll see how well this turns out.
Getting lots of design.
Boop. Penis twister action.
Let's see how Trolley Center Rush does.
Well, it gets you some experience. That's all I know. I'm hoping for 8s and 9s. 9s and 10s. All 10s. Have you ever gotten all 10s on this game?
I have not.
I have.
I think you got 3 10s and a 9 is my highest.
Dang it! I'd punch somebody in the face.
Let's see.
Oh, that's pretty good. Oh, yes! That's some sexy shit.
8.
Yes! No! Oh!
Perfect.
Nice!
Yes. For Sega game. Oh yeah.
No.
The Gameling.
That's great. If you want to make a gambling game, you go right ahead, but I'm not sure I can help you very much. I didn't play much Game Boy growing up.
Oh, basically casual games would be good for that. Although, I mean, puzzle games too. Is that the worm?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do some research.
Okay, that's a great idea.
What do you want to do?
New topic.
Ninja. Thank God.
Yeah.
Alright, we got 21 more research points so we can do stuff with too. Good job. Alright. So we can create a custom engine maybe.
That'd be great.
That's all money.
We need to, yeah. We need to make a name for our engine. G. We need a vowel. N. Need another vowel. L. There you go.
Genol.
There you go.
All of it.
All the things.
It's only $90,000.
We got enough. Nice.
Bloop, bloop. Oh, we're getting research points too.
Yeah, I know. Dang.
Good job, game. Benny, your story. Yes.
Okay.
All right.
We're going to develop a new game. On the next episode. Oh, dang.
Yay!
All right.
Yes. We will create a game using our new engine. Genol.
Ooh, all right. So, love you guys.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.